Hello, this is Jammal. Today is July 27, 2024. It's a Saturday. I want to share with you guys one of Abibu Oluwa's work. He sang this song for Adebayo, who was an Ijale from Ikorodu area. And the story goes like this. Whenever there is Muslim festival, the Eid prayer festival is a congregational prayer, and to honor that prayer, the Muslim tends to go to the outskirts of town to do the prayer. So the Ijales, they're pretty much like the modern day landscapers. They'll go and mow the lawn. It's going to be vast because it's a congregational prayer. There's going to be a lot of people going to pray. So they'll mow the area so that people will be comfortable in putting their prayer mat down without fear of reptiles, snakes sneaking up on them. Because Lagos, Ikorodu, Lagos is tropical. So the snake there are not joke. They carry venom. So the Ijales, they'll go and mow that area they're going to use for the prayer. But there's an interesting angle to them doing it. The Ijales, they were so passionate about their work that when they going to go mow the lawn or the area, the habitat, in preparation for the Eid prayer, they go like carnival. They go like they are going to a carnival. Hamatansia, the flags, drums beating, really passionate. It's like being something similar to Brazil carnival. They just having fun, even though they're going to be working hard to clear that area. So Abib sang this song, and Ewa wo Adebayo tó ń gun mọ́tò lọ roko. So they would load up in a lorry, trucks, singing. So Abibu noticed that and said, and not too many people with chartered vehicle to go to work back there in those days. This is pre-Nigerian independence. This is colonial era. Wọ́n ní Ijale tó ń gun mọ́tò tó ń lọ roko bí òyìnbó, ẹ wá wá Adebayo bí òyìnbó. Adebayo on lọ roko, proud of that. An average African will just carry his machete and whatever tools he's going to use in the farm to go clear his area. But here comes Adebayo, an Ijale individual. They turn it into a party. It doesn't get better than that. When a human being is so proud of his work, of his handwork, that he's having fun doing it. With work ethics, that's the pinnacle of work ethics, where you can just work and enjoy what you do, and you know you're producing for the society. And Ijale tó ń gun mọ́tò tó ń lọ roko, ẹ wá wá Adebayọ bí òyìnbó. Àwọn òyìnbó ló máa charter trucks and vehicles to go do work at the site. Let's listen to it. And for some of you that are familiar with Lefty Salami's music, you will see some of where he picks some of his lines from. Let's go. Lé mi ẹ wá wá Adebayọ bí òyìnbó. Ẹ wá wá ará lé mi ẹ wá wá Adebayọ bí òyìnbó. Ẹ ò Ijale tó ń gùn mọ́tò lọ roko. Tó ń gùn mọ́tò lọ roko. Ẹ wá wá ará lé mi ẹ wá wá Adebayọ bí òyìnbó. Àkééké gégi nígbó, orí ara ẹ̀ ló ń gé. Ọlọ́sùn orí ara ẹ̀ ló ń lọ. Dá tó bá perí ẹ̀ níbi, orí ara rẹ̀ ló ń pè. Bọ́ bá kí ẹ kò gbà f'Olúwa, bọ́ ò sì kí ẹ kò gbà f'Olúwa. Ọba òkè, ọba tí ń ṣẹkún dayọ̀, fún ọmọ láìwọlá mi. Abugafari Batulai Dada Nisuwe Batulai Dada Sati Olówó Dábírà Ọba Sati Webatudini. Wọ́n lọ jálé agbọ́n bínú ó ta wọ́n ẹ wá ń ké. Ẹ̀sìn mi ìjọ̀gbọ̀n ẹ̀sìn mi yẹ ká tún gbọ́ pé o pólókò ń gbàgbàro. Ó pẹ́ kó tó yé mi, kò tètè yé mi. Èmi ò mọ̀ pé màmá Èkó ní Suwe Batu ń jẹ́ màmá Lagos, màmá Lagos o. That's a beat for you. Ó pẹ́ kó tó yé mi, kò tètè yé mi. Èmi ò mọ̀ pé màmá Èkó ní Suwe Batu ń jẹ́ màmá Lagos, màmá Lagos o. So, key point from this song. When the Ijales are going to prep the prayer ground for the Eid Muslim festival, they go in like in a carnival on the way to mowing the ground. One shake karakara and it'll be smooth. So they have fun while they're working, while they're being productive. Yeah, but in this song, Abibu used what the academics would call sympathetic magic. So academician find a way of defining some of the things we Yoruba do. So when Abibu was saying pé àkéké ó ń gégi nígbó orí ara ẹ̀ ló ń gé, ọlọ́sùn lọ́sùn orí ara ẹ̀ ló ń lọ̀, osùn is camwood. Wọ́n á lọ̀, they grind it. Our forerunner, they will use it for beauty, but also they will rub it on baby's body. But when Olosun, Entun Losun, the person that prepped the camwood, when he finished prepping it, they prep it with their hands. So there's going to be a lot of the coloration on it. So they rub it on their body. The remainder, after they've scooped the one they're going to sell, the rest on their fingers, they rub it on themselves. So whoever is wishing you ill will, he set it, he or herself up, is pretty much what the line was saying. So what Yoruba would do is they will layer sentences. Sometimes they will preface it with the solution that the point they're trying to drive in. But sometimes they put the point they're trying to drive in at the end. In this case, this sympathetic magic sentence, it's pretty much at the end. So, meaning sympathetic, when they say sympathetic meaning, it could be oshe, it could be agbo, it could be something to drink like a porridge, it could be gbere, a small mark on their face, it could be any of those. But before they apply those, they will recite those sympathetic magic line. Àkéké tó gégi nígbó orí ara ẹ̀ ló gé, ọlọ́sùn lọ́sùn orí ara ẹ̀ ló lọ̀, ẹni tó bá perí mi níbi orí ara rẹ̀ ló ń pè. Then they apply the medicine. So that the line here, Abibu, àkéké tó gégi nígbó, meaning the person wishing Olaiwola Suweba to ill will. Orí ara ẹ̀ ló ń gé, ọlọ́sùn lọ́sùn. That is wishing Suweba to ill will. Orí ara ẹ̀ ló ń lọ. Then he came back around and reassure the individual. Turn back here. If they say hello to you, fine. Bọ́ọ̀sì it's okay too. If they didn't greet you, it's okay too. Kò gbà f'Olúwa, ọba òkè, ọba tí ń sẹkún dayọ̀. Fún Suweba tu láì dáadáa. Sati. Meaning Sati Rahman. That's the name of Allah he was invoking there. Sati. But he didn't complete it and say Sati Rahman. He just said Sati. So when the Yoruba Muslim of the past century would say Sati, everybody know what they're driving at. Once they invoke God, oh God, avoid the sign of mo ti fi wọ́n sọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run Sati. Ọba Sati. Then he came back and he said, Ọba Sati. Lord Sati Rahman. Olówó ń dábírà. ní tí sùwé bá tù dínní. Wọ́n ti ṣèké wọ́n jálè àgbọ̀n bínú ó ta yín ẹ̀ wá ń ké. Ẹ̀sìn mi ìjọ̀gbọ̀n ẹ̀sìn mi o, kò yẹ ká tún gbọ́ o pé olóko ń gbàgbàro. Someone that we thought was high up here is now the same individual that is now doing the legwork of haters. An individual that we could be our colleagues is way high up there. But now he's no longer the henchman. He's now the errand. Someone executing a lowly task. Ẹ̀sìn mi ìjọ̀gbọ̀n ẹ̀sìn mi, kò yẹ ká tún gbọ́ pé olóko ń gbàgbàro. Ó pẹ́ kó tó yé mi, kò tètè yé mi. Èmi ò mọ̀ pé màmá Èkó ní sùwé bá tù ń jẹ́. Mama Lagos, yo. So the Yorubas, they will, in addition to their giving birth name, they tend to tag each other with their trade as another characteristics of that individual. So when he's saying Mama Eko, meaning the people from the rural area where Suwebatu came from, they call her Mama Eko, Mama Lagos, because she works and earn a living from Lagos. So when she goes back home to her rural area, I say, Mama Eko ti dé o, Mama Eko ti dé, Mama Eko. So our foreigners, they go by a lot of those kind of tagging. Like on my side, Iyatokosi. She was trading across the lagoon to Ikosi. So they'll tag like that. Anyway, so that's that. So so bottom line is that the individual I was thinking about is an Ijale. Way back then. And they have fun. They enjoy their work. This brings me to one of the point that I like about studying human beings. Every one of us, we came from humble background. Every one of us, we came from humble background. If you scratch an individual 2 layers down, if you find any elite in your society and you scratch them 2 layers down, by the time you scratch them 3rd layer down, before you get to the 4th layer down, you find out that they are foreigners who are from humble background. But in modern day, we've got caught up in a big pass you. I better pass you. We've got caught up in that. Okay, so when you talk to an average Nigerian that have different view from you, or you have argument, and oh, momini, do you know me? That individual already forgot that is foreigners or are foreigners. They came from very humble background. Look at the story of these Ijale people. On roko for living, to earn livings, to the point that their society embraced them for what they do. So when the times come for Eid festival, they reach out to them. Let's cover the drum beat in this. The drum beat, because of the quality of the that I was able to get hold of, I try to clean it up, but it still doesn't sound clear. Unless if you're in your car, which has a better sound system than what I'm using for recording, then you get the drum, some of the drum beats, which is what I tend to do sometimes. I play them in my car, and then I'm like, oh, that's what it was beating there. Oh, that's the name of the offspring of the person that he was singing about. Then I'll catch it. So in this one, right off the gate, is Mimi started with ẹni re á kú, òṣìkà á kú, ilẹ̀ ni yóò mọ ẹni tí ó tẹ̀hún pẹ́. Ẹni re á kú, òṣìkà á kú, ilẹ̀ ni yóò mọ ẹni tí ó tẹ̀hún pẹ́. And it'll go like this. So that's that. Then he also beat níwájú níwájú kòǹkòló, lẹ́yìn lẹ́yìn kòǹkòló, lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ kòǹkòló, níwájú níwájú kòǹkòló, lẹ́yìn lẹ́yìn kòǹkòló. So he beat that. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀tẹ́ ni yóò fi rí àgbà tó wẹ̀wù àṣejù. Ẹ̀tẹ́ ni yóò fi rí. So if you slow it down, then if you really want them to catch it, you could slow it down. So don't forget your do re mis. I keep telling you guys, those of you at home, get one of these. They're cheap. And those of you that are in diaspora, when you go on a visit, bring back one of these for yourself. They will ground you. It's very good to ground you. It keep you connected to your foreigners. Don't beat too hard. If you beat it too hard, it gives you migraine headache. All right, guys, stay blessed. Leave comment. There's a lot from the resources our foreigners left behind for us. We just have to cherish it and apply the message in them. I'm out. Peace out.